Hello class. Today we will be adding, subtracting polynomials, as well as learning how to graph a simple polynomial. Let's begin. As we see here, we have x cubed plus x squared plus 3x plus 7 plus 3x cubed minus 2x squared plus 5x minus 7. So we want to make sure we be careful when we add our x terms that have common exponents. Okay, so here we will have an x cubed plus a 3x cubed giving us a 4x cubed. We have an x squared minus a 2x squared giving us a negative x squared. As we go along the problem, we get a plus 8x plus 7 minus 7 canceling out, giving us 4x cubed minus x squared plus 8x. Let's move on. Now we're going to be subtracting a polynomial. When we subtract a polynomial, we are going to reverse the sign of the second polynomial. So for this 2x cubed, 3x cubed, we're going to get just a 1x cubed. A positive x squared minus a negative 3x squared is actually going to change this, and we're going to add a 3x squared to our x squared already, giving us a 4x squared. We do not have an x term in this equation, but we do have a negative 5x over here. Changing that to a positive 5x, we have a negative 6 minus a 7, which will give us a negative 13. Do we have any questions? No. All right, let's move on. We start with our x squared parent function. Everything that we do in this next part, we are going to manipulate this function. As we see here, we have x squared minus 4. So first we have to factor this equation. We have to find a number, two numbers that multiply to our 4, but cancel out our middle term. That is going to be x plus 2, x minus 2, being our zeros of the function. If we multiply this out, we get x squared plus 2x minus 2x minus 4. As we see, our two middle terms cancel, giving us an x squared minus 4. As we see here, these two numbers give us the zeros of the function. If we plug in a positive 2, it equals 0. And if we plug in a negative 2 and square it, it also gives us 0. So when we graph, we're going to plug in our x equals 2 on our x-axis, and our x equals negative 2 on our y-axis. Since we are subtracting 4 from x squared, we're going to lower this down to our negative 4 spot on the y-axis. We go from the y-axis up through our zeros, giving us our final graph. If you look on the classwork, which will also be given to you as homework if you do not finish, we will see many polynomials like our addition and our subtraction, as well as graphing. If you have any questions, please ask.